working on the winter beater today. Yes, it's only August, but you're never too early for winter in Idaho. So I bought this 2009 Tiguan with 130,000 miles. It's really clean. And all it needed was the rear bumper and the rear impact bar down here. I found one on eBay. The guy said it was the right color. It's here today. Put the trimmer to use, went to pick it up. Had to be shipped freight, so that was interesting. Never done that before. So we're gonna unbox it. Supposedly it's the right color. It's never the right shade of the right color, but I mean, can hope. But the guy built this crate out of 2x4s, so she's real heavy. But I'm gonna try to unbox it on there, and then we'll pull it over to the car and see how it looks. All right, well, we have the bar here. It's weird, they cut that wire. I think ours will plug into it, but then they, like a deadhead plug or something. But ours has the trailer wiring. Something to that effect. And I'm gonna put our hitch on it. It came with a hitch, so it's gonna go there. And then there's 2 bolts on this side over here, 2 on this side down here, and then the wiring is this. I have all that plugged. I'll go grab it. Alright, let's see how it looks. It sucks they cut the wire. Alright, we're going to fix the wiring real quick before putting this on. Alright, with the magic of my phone dying and a little editing, we got the bumper on. So pretty simple. I bought a bracket for this side because it was missing, and I know the bumper's not perfect, but came in the right color. Turned out pretty good, and I'm happy to say that I didn't use one zip tie, believe it or not. So if you're doing this, you have to take the hitch off before putting the skin on, and I imagine you have to take the hitch off before taking the skin off. So if you have a hitch, keep that in mind. But other than that, I think she's ready to rock for the winter. Just like that. Turned out a-okay. And if we hate it, I guess we'll sell it and buy something else for the winter. But for now, that'll be it on the Tiguan. That's literally all it needed. Was $200 on a pallet, and she's ready. Tires are all good. The only lights on the dash are for, well, they were for these reverse lights down here, these 2 down here. Apparently those are the reverse lights. And it has one for AFS, which I think is when you turn the steering wheel, a light turns on the side, kind of like Buicks used to. Not that big a deal, but I'm just glad the hatch is working. The only other thing I guess I need is this handle piece right here. It holds the camera, but that'll be it for now. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like it, subscribe. Thanks.